Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Thursday, December 3rd. What you'll see in this presentation is that stable and stagnant air is expected to continue through Tuesday night, with the exception of Sunday and Sunday night in the extreme western portion of our forecast area, where there continues to be a slight threat of some light snowfall, basically in the mountains and highlands of the extreme western portion of our area, which would be south central Idaho. It will continue to be cold with a slow warming trend, but still on Saturday, high temperatures should start getting above normal. And until then, expect some widespread areas of below zero and single digit temperatures for overnight lows through that Friday night before. Here is the latest satellite imagery. You can see it's pretty much clear skies over especially eastern and central Idaho. Temperatures are fairly cold. You can see there's little or no impact in our overview. There is a threat of fog for each day. There's none out there today, so the chances are very slight unless you're in places like Stanley Basin, where there might be a little bit of showing up as indicated on our satellite image. But the rest of the days, it will depend a lot on human activity and how strong the inversion is. It will certainly be weaker on Sunday. That would be the least chance when we have some cloud cover moving in with this closed low system, as we call it, that'll move into western Idaho and produce cloud cover at a minimum for central Idaho and south central Idaho, and possibly some light snow. Again, that'll be mostly in the higher elevations. So the rest of this presentation will just be high temperatures expected each day and the low temperatures expected each morning. So because that's really the only thing going on. There's really no significant wind, at least through the Monday time frame. So here you can see temperatures will be nearing 40 degrees if you're in the extreme eastern Magic Valley. Otherwise, most people see highs in the lower to middle 30s. Overnight lows continue to be cold. You can see Stanley 11 below zero, Ashton -3, Island Park 5 below zero, Driggs 8 below. So there's quite a few areas, a lot of the INL property in the single digits. Here in Pocatello, 15 degrees for the overnight low. You can see about the same for Friday. And like I said, on Saturday it will start to pick up. But first Saturday morning here, still 9 below zero for Stanley. Island Park at -4. So it is started to warm up a little bit as the air mass over starts to modify a little bit with some clear skies and daytime heating. Here you can see on Saturday, even places like Pocatello will now get above 40 degrees. And Idaho Falls gets very close. Saturday morning, again, it's still a lot of below zero temperatures in the alpine basins and then in our northeast corner. Here on Sunday, slightly warmer, especially in the south central area. And you see Stanley now warmed up to 2 below zero for Monday morning, mostly single digits into the teens for the Snake River Plain in eastern Magic Valley. And then on Monday, temperatures have kind of leveled off, most of that because of the cloud cover the day before. As that low moves away, it does produce a weak northerly flow, and that brings in some cooler air from the north. That's all I have. Once again, we do have a air stagnation advisory out, so that just means be mindful if you have concerns about air quality. Let's see how this progresses as stagnant, stable air continues over us for the most part, at least through Saturday, and then again for the early part of next week. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.